C4C's bike box assembly process.
Powered by C4C.
Before assembling, let's learn how to operate plastic buckle. Press the two strips in front of the plastic buckle to the middle and pull them out. Before attaching, adjust the plastic sheet to a position similar to that in the video. When snapping in, align the upper and lower layers of the hole evenly. When taking out the plastic buckle, press the two strips in the middle and then pull them out. Unpacking before assembly.
Remove the plastic buckles from the small top cover and open the bike box.
Remove the kits from the bike box in order. Once the kits are all out, turn the bike box upside down. Remove the plastic buckles from the small bottom cover and then remove the small bottom cover from the bike box. Then, unfold the two main boards in preparation for assembly. Assembly of the main boards of the bike box. Align the square holes at the end of the two main boards with each other. Note, the short side is on the inside and the long side is on the outside. Then fasten the plastic buckles from the inside to the outside. Fasten the plastic buckles on the other side of the bike box in the same way. Assembly and installation of the bottom cover. Turn the long side of the lower cover 90 degrees to the center. Align the buttonholes and fix them with hook and loop tape. Assemble the other side in the same way. Place the lower cover into the slot on both sides of the bike box. Note that it should be as shown in the picture and not covered on the outside of the bike box. Buckle the 6 square holes on the front of the bottom cover in order. Before buckling the large plastic buckles, align the hole in the center position. When buckling the large plastic buckle, first push the top plastic piece into the buckle hole. Then press the bottom plastic piece into the buckle hole. In the same way, buckling the other 3 large plastic buckles into the buckle holes. Once the bottom cover is installed, turn the bike box over. Thread the customs lock strap through the strap hole on the top left side into the bike box. Then thread the strap through the strap hole on the upper of the support plate. Note that the strap loops are all placed on the right side of the support plate. Next, thread the strap through the back of the plate and through the strap hole at the bottom. Thread the strap through the strap hole under the bike box to the outside of the bike box. Adjust the strap buckle to the top edge of the bike box. Then thread the strap across the bottom of the bike box to the other side. Then thread the strap through the strap hole at the bottom into the bike box. Take a support plate and thread the strap through the strap hole at the bottom of the front side. Thread the strap across the back of the plate through the top strap hole to the front. Place the strap loop on the right side of the front of the support plate as well. Finally, thread the strap through the strap hole at the top of the bike box. Hook and loop tape is used in the center of the bike box. Hook and loop fastener is directional. Please thread the smooth side up and the hook side down into the bike box. The usage of hook and loop fastener is the same as that of the customs lock strap. Please refer to the usage of customs lock straps to operate hook and loop fastener. The customs lock strap on the right should be operated in the same way. The support post kit should be the same as shown in this picture once it is assembled. Assembly and installation of the top cover. The assembly and installation of the top cover is the same as that of the bottom cover. Please refer to the assembly and installation method of the bottom cover. Operation of customs locks and straps. Thread the strap loop into the strap. Open the customs lock and thread the strap from the back of lock. Reverse the strap 180 degrees around the top of the metal rod and thread it out. Buckle the metal buckle of the strap to the customs lock. Pull the strap tightly onto the customs lock and through the strap loop. Please make sure to change the number of the customs lock to a non-openable number. Thread the hook and loop tape through the strap loop and reverse it to fix it. The customs lock on the right side should be installed in the same way as the customs lock on the left. When the assembly is complete, it will be as shown in the picture.